Hello, beauties. Welcome to Kelly Grace TV. For all my new friends, new subscribers, warm welcome to you. And for the old one, I appreciate you guys all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. So quickly, today we are going to make some chicken and vegetable stew. So here I am going to boil some hard chicken with just some powder chicken seasoning, or you can use some any nice poultry seasoning. With here I am adding some curry powder, and then I will go ahead and cover it up and let it simmer about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, this is it. I'm going to mix it up, and then here I will be adding some water at this point to help my chicken boil and cook properly. These are hard chicken, so you guys know it take much more longer time to get cooked. So here I added some chopped onion, more water, and then I will cover it up and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Here I forgot some bay leaf. I added 2 bay leaf. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients, the veggies I'm gonna use. It's all about some bell peppers, green bell peppers, chopped onion and garlic, yellow and red bell pepper. I have some carrots, I have some cabbage there, one guavese or pepper pushito, green chili pepper. Here I added my pot on fire and add some oil. We are going to fry the boiled chicken. So my first batch is done already, and here I am adding the last batch of the chicken. Let's stay tuned. So finish the frying time. Now I am adding some of my onion and garlic to my frying pot. Don't forget I separate the oil from the pot. I just have a little bit of the oil left in my frying pot, so I'm using just the same pot to do my stew. So it's up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to leave my slice onion and garlic soften, and then I will be adding some fresh some tomato paste here. Mix it all and let it fry. So from here I will be adding a little bit of water to it, just to make sure this fry properly. Here I am adding some fresh tomato. I'll stir fry. I'll stir fry for about 2 minutes, and after that I will go ahead and I add some chicken broth to it, mix it, and let it simmer again. And now here I am adding my cabbage. I added the cabbage first because the cabbage take a little bit longer to cook, and the carrots both take much longer to cook than the other vegetables. So after adding them, I will mix it, and then I will cover it up. I'm adding a little bit of more of the chicken bouillon to help this simmer properly. And then sorry guys, my throat is so itchy. Then I will go ahead and cover it up for 3 minutes. This is it. After 3 minutes, as you can see, the cabbage soften up, they are softened. And then I will go ahead and add all my bell peppers, the green, yellow, and the red one. Mix it well together. Now we are adding the chicken. After you well compound the chicken and the other ingredient is the sauce, we are going to cover it up for 5 minutes. Let it simmer. This is it after 5 minutes. And I here have my only chili that I have, my guavese. That was the guavese that I chopped, and some fresh onion just for the flavor. And guys, I can tell you the smell is so good, so beautiful, beautiful smell here. So here is my veggies stew for you guys today. Very simple, that you can eat with a lot of stuff like rice, ablo, akpan, ogi, pap, or whatever, anything, just name it, couscous. Yes, ready to serve, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. Click on the subscriber button and activate all the clock and make sure you are sharing this with your loved one. Like, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.